guys, the BYZOOM Kettlebell is in. We already unboxed a couple days ago the bench and the dumbbells, and now we have the adjustable kettlebell. Let's see what it looks like. It's a very small box, but it is heavy. This is up to 40 pounds. There was also a 30 pounds, but I was thinking about, like, you know, glutes and stuff, and I think higher is better, but I don't need like too high, so this is like that perfect amount. I need to stand up for this. It is a little bit dirty. Let me get some Clorox wipes real quick. Could have been because of the warehouse. It really sinks in my bed. Okay. It's a little bit dirty on this side. I'm not really sure how to use it. I just know that, like, if you want less weight, you can. And if you want more weight, you can. So we're going to figure it out right now. Okay. Probably just from the warehouse. Amazing. Okay. Let's see. BYZOOM has their little logo. This material is different than this material. And then it's silver here. Sorry, some cat hairs on there. This is like a rock, and this is like rock but silver. And this feels like this soft rock also. This is smoother. I tried to wipe off the brown. It's just a little bit, it looks like there's like dust on it, but I couldn't get it off fully. That's just me, perfectionist though. Let's turn to the side. It says, warning, do not adjust the weight when the kettlebell is not on the ground. Make sure the kettlebell is on flat ground before adjusting the weight. Make sure the adjustment pin is secure, locked before using the kettlebell. Lift the kettlebell handle up straight. Okay, we can take the kettlebell. Lift the kettlebell handle up straight. Okay, we can take this off now. Now that we know, I don't want it to be yellow. Okay, put it on the box. And then the other side is this. A little bit of imperfection right there. This is a newer company for fitness equipment, so maybe it's not a little bit perfect. Sorry for my paint. I just spray painted DIY spice rack earlier. Let's take a look at the top. I'm not exactly sure how to use it just yet, but I do see where we're gonna be turning. Hold on. Sorry. Okay. So this is, so it says stop, 10, 17, 0.5, 25, 32.5, and 40. So it says I have to be on flat ground just in case. Let's put it on the floor. Okay. So really easy to adjust. Oh wait, it's easy to squish in, but how do I turn it? Oh, I have to use two hands. Oh, you can't turn it that way. Ah, I was turning it the wrong way. Okay, it's very easy to adjust. Stop. What does stop mean? So this is 10 pounds. Oh. Now I go to 17 pounds. Whoa. 25 pounds. 32 pounds. And 40 pounds. So sick. It's very quick and easy to adjust. I didn't know that they could have kettlebells like this. Super cool. So the stop right here, I don't know what that means, but pretty much you just lock everything in and then you take it out. Because there's no way to turn it to stop. It just says stop there. But yeah, I love, I would say first impressions, 9 out of 10, just because there was a little bit of imperfections and I like things to be perfectly crafted in every single way from the warehouse, but I'm still going to keep it no matter what. Sometimes things will get dirty. Over time, things will get dirty as we use it a lot, especially in fitness equipment. So just because it's not as perfect, like it's a little bit of, teeny bit of like dark little patches, not patches, it's just like dark shading. Teeny bit, it almost looks like there's dust on it, but there's not because I wiped it. And then that's what I thought it was at first. And then just a little bit on the paint on this side, I would say, just right here. It looks like they painted or spray painting and it kind of got clumpy a teeny bit on that edge. Or it could have got nicked, who knows. I could maybe put some white paint over it because it looks a little bit gray right there. But it's not necessary. That's on the bottom anyways, because really the kettlebell will sit like this the whole time. When I go to grab it and use it, that part is on the bottom, so you can't see that part. So yeah, this is my review, my first impressions, and this is the BYZOOM. We already have the dumbbells and the bench in the kitchen. I'm excited to start using this from home. I also have the gym membership with my brother, so he can take me, and I've been going recently, but he's only here for temporarily till he goes back to college and he leaves. And so like, why not have like fitness equipment that's, again, not like having multiple kettlebells, all these different weights or all these different dumbbells and having it all in your house. It's kind of just a lot of things to have. If I eventually move out, then having that small apartment, I feel like it's best to not have like a whole bunch of dumbbells, you know what I mean, or kettlebells. So able just to have one dumbbell that has all the way to 25 adjustment, and then also one dumbbell on the right hand, and then one kettlebell, and also it kind of looks like an Apple product. It's white and gray, or white and silver, and yeah, high quality, really cool. I'm super excited about this. I was just searching on the web, and then it popped up, and then yeah, it just felt so right out of all the things I've been looking at. I've been kind of looking at this for a couple months now, looking at fitness stuff. There's pink ones on Amazon that are adjustable, but it was like 100 something. And for me, it just wasn't, I was like, should I just get it? But I don't know. I just didn't like the black and the pink and the white all mixtured. It had tons of reviews, but I'm so glad I didn't buy it a couple months ago. And I was just like been looking, also in stores in person too. I went to even like Dick's and stuff to see if they had like any cute like pink or white fitness equipment, and they didn't. So I'm super glad I waited, and then BYZOOM is here now, and yeah, it's making me excited to start lifting heavy again and working out from home. And yeah, there's so much I guess I can say. I don't know, I haven't used the product yet, but this is just first impression. I bought all of it by myself. I think I spent a little bit around 600-ish, but then I did buy the bench, so I think it ended up being like around 700-ish. Don't quote me on that, but like it's pretty much around 500 to 1,000, but it's less than 1,000 for sure.
So I feel like if you were to have like an at-home gym, it would be definitely $1,000 up. And with these things that I got, it was definitely under $1,000. So I think that's a great deal. I didn't have a coupon code or anything. I probably should have checked ChatGPT for that. But I was just so excited to buy it, and I wanted to get it like immediately. So yeah, I really feel like this is a great price for what you're getting, and it fits my white aesthetic, as you guys can see. So if you're in the market for this, so far I love it. Again, I haven't actually used it, but I mean, I kind of did do the dumbbells on live the other day, and it was nice. But I haven't used a kettlebell yet. I mean, I could just try right now just to see how it feels real quick. I already know I'm gonna love it, but let's just try, just so we can have like an actual like real life impressions on this company. Inhale, squeeze, push within your heels, squeeze your cheeks till they're flat. Exhale, inhale, squeeze. Oh my God, it's amazing. Exhale, release, release, release. Inhale, squeeze up, squeeze your cheeks at the top. Do not lock your knees. Exhale, slowly release. Bend, bend, bend. Your knees are right above your toes. And squeeze your cheeks. Release. Let's do straight leg deadlift. Release down, a slight bend in your knees. Inhale. Ooh, my hamstrings are so sore. Exhale. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Ah, feels so good on the glutes. Inhale. Chest up, shoulders back. Pretend like you're hitting, like touching your butt on the wall. Exhale, squeeze with your glutes. Amazing. Holy shit. I'm obsessed. Now I can say I've used it, and first impressions, 9 out of 10 on the actual make of this one. It could be because mine was a little bit of a dud, teeny bit. It's really small things you can't even notice, but I'm a perfectionist. But yeah, even just using it right now, it feels amazing. The grip's amazing. That was 40 pounds. I just did regular deadlifts and then straight legs. Amazing. And I can even work out here on my fur in my room, and it just fits the vibe. Super cute. It's a man and feminine item. It's white, so it's universal, and gray is universal, unisex as well. So love it. I would recommend. Amazing. I love you guys.